Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used Sharan SE NAV that we currently have in stock. This 7-seater model is a 2-litre TDI automatic finished in an Indium Grey metallic paint. This car does come with your 2-year Volkswagen warranty, and if you'd like to find out more information about this car then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. I'm just going to give you a 360-degree view around the car. So starting with the front, you do have your rain sensors for the driver's convenience. And then moving around, we have your 18-inch alloys. These do have some slight damage on them, but it's expected with it being a 17-plate vehicle. And then as an upgraded option on this car, you do have your electric folding door mirrors to provide safety for your car when left parked on narrow streets. Then we do have electric sliding rear side doors, which is really easy and convenient for the driver. Then we have the striped cloth finish. It's really practical. We have 5 seats in the back. This would make an ideal family vehicle. And then you do also have your pull-out tables to keep the kids occupied on those longer journeys. We have such a spacious interior. Then we have an electric tailgate, which is really handy for when you've got your hands full. So then taking you inside the boot, we haven't got much space once the back seats are up, but you do have your parcel shelf in there. So the next clip I'll show will be the back seats folded down. So we have lots of space in here available. You have plenty of room to store your weekly shopping, as well as a few large suitcases. And to close the boot, you just simply press the button as demonstrated. You've got the silver roof rails across the top, as well as your chrome inserts on the windows. Then take you inside the front. We have your electric mirror and window controls, your central locking. Then scanning over, we have your leather trimmed multifunction steering wheel. And scanning over, we have your 2 front comfy seats, finished in the striped cloth. So that concludes the 360-degree walk around. So next I'll jump in, I'll go in more depth on the car's interior features and technologies. So firstly, jumping inside, we have a touchscreen interface where we can access your car's functionalities. We have your shortcut buttons down either side. So then going into nav, we have your satellite navigation. So we have a 3D map to help you plan your routes, as well as providing you with the quickest ones. You can change your display from day to night or leave it on automatic, preference to the driver. Then we do have a DAB, FM and AM radio available. So you have an NSS music stations. Then you can also answer phone calls via Bluetooth. This is ideal if you have a busy working lifestyle. And then we do have your rear view camera and your front and rear parking sensors as an optional upgrade on this vehicle. This is how it will be displayed on your screen. This will really support you when manoeuvring in tighter spaces. Then moving down, we have your 3-zone climate controls. So both yourself and your front passenger can control your own temperatures to save any future arguments. It will also ensure you're both comfortable. And then just below we have some shortcut buttons. So here we can activate your dynamic chassis control. This will help improve your driving experience. Here are the buttons to open your electric rear doors. So it's really convenient and easy. We have your automatic gearbox. We have an electronic park brake. 2 handy cup holders. We have some storage space underneath your armrest. You have a USB and an aux port for your media devices. Got the lovely contrast stitching. And then over here we have your multifunction steering wheel where we can also access your car's functionalities. So using this side of the wheel we can activate your cruise control, perfect for long motorway driving. Then using this side of the wheel we can also shift through your instrument cluster. This car has covered 24,558 miles. And then we do also have automatic lights, which you'll really benefit from if you're someone who forgets to turn your lights on. We have a storage compartment just above here. And then finally, we have your fantastic panoramic sunroof. It lets so much fresh air in on warmer days and floods so much light into the car. It's really easy to use. And then you do also have your electric blind on there as well. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Sharan, which includes a minimum of 2 years warranty along with flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.